In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up D-Link DAP-1325 Wi-Fi Extender. So you have two options in order to do so. The first option is setting it up using the WPS, which is the recommended. So you will have to plug the extender into a wall outlet near your router. It should be near the router first. Then wait until the status LED starts blinking amber. Then you'll have to press the WPS button on your router for about 3 seconds. So press it on the router first, then within 1 minute, press the WPS button on your extender or D-Link extender. Of course, press it for 2 to 3 seconds. Do not just press and go. And of course, then you'll have to wait for the status LED to turn solid green, which means the extender connected successfully and takes your Wi-Fi. And now it's become an extender. The second option, if you don't have the WPS, as example, button, or if your router doesn't support WPS, you can just go and connect it using or set it up using the website or the web browser. So connect your phone to a laptop or connect your phone or laptop to the extender default Wi-Fi network, which will be D-Link dash whatever. Then open a web browser and go to D-Link ap.local. And if that doesn't open, just try 192.168.0.50 or basically the IP. And the setup wizard will start automatically. So once you're done, you'll just have to follow basically the instructions, which will be selecting your Wi-Fi network. So the extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks and just select your home Wi-Fi, enter the Wi-Fi password and select on next. You can also rename the extender Wi-Fi network and create a new password if you prefer while you set it up. Once you do so, just go and save the settings, review your settings and click on save and finish. The extender will basically reboot, and which usually will take about 2 minutes, and it will start working normally. Now, after the setup is completed, you can just go and unplug, as an example, your extender and then move it halfway between your router and the area with the weak Wi-Fi, then plug it back in. For best performance, make sure to keep it, as an example, in a high area and far a little bit from the walls, and you should be good to go. So that's how you set up the D-Link DAP 1325 Wi-Fi extender. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.